This is the second part of Chapter 2, Radiation Physics, and what we will be talking about is what happens when an electron is dislodged from its orbit. And why that's important is because an X-ray can be produced only if this electron from the K shell can be or is dislodged. So here we have a electrically stable or neutral or happy atom. It has the same amount of electrons and the same amount of protons. So it's a happy atom, it's neutral, it's not going anywhere. But when an X-ray or a photon, you will see this word everywhere, a photon hits the electron is dislodged. I will erase this. And I'll put it over here. It's not connected anymore. And this part is called an ion. An ion is electrically unstable. You can see that this is positively charged now. The next vocab word is ion pair. An ion pair is just these two parts, this and this. They're a pair, but they're not connected. And one more, okay. So when this is dislodged, this process is called ionization. You can think of ionization as damage done to an atom. And we have atoms in our bodies, so think of it as like a damage done to the atom in your body, which will eventually cause damage to your cells. So I will write the official definition would be production of ions. So in other words, it would be the damaging of atoms. Think of it that way. The book does not explain it that way, but you could probably, it helped me when I thought of it that way. Okay. Okay, so that's done. I'm gonna erase this. I'm gonna go over some more vocabulary words. And that is radiation. Radiation is a form of energy. And we know a few kinds, there are many, like for example cosmo rays, X-rays, microwaves, UV light is also radiation. Now we use this in radiology. Or I'm gonna write used in radiology. Excuse me. Used in radiology. Another vocabulary word is not the opposite, but we do not use it in radiology, dental radiology. It's called radioactivity. And you should like know this definition, because all your questions about radioactivity will be asking basically the definition of this. So you should be able to recognize it. And it's a long definition. The process, I'll explain later what this means. The process by which certain unstable atoms undergo spontaneous disintegration. Again, basically, I just knew this definition and it helped me without any question about it that there was disintegration in an effort to attain a more balanced state, nuclear state. And radioactivity is used in, like, it's not used in dentistry. An example of radioactivity would be a nuclear bomb explosion. So just remember that radioactivity is not used in dentistry, but radiation is used in dentistry.